Hello everyone and welcome back to our revision. So today we are here to check out Logitech Membrane Gaming Keyboard, the G213. With that being said, let's do the unboxing first. Okay, so okay, let's see what we get inside the box. Wow, that's already wrong. Okay, so that's the keyboard inside. And the first thing that I've noticed that that's actually quite a big keyboard. So this keyboard comes with a armrest, which you cannot remove it. All right, so that is the keyboard itself. Let's see what we get more inside the box. So we are getting some Logitech Gaming logo sticker. What we have here, okay, some more thank you, thanks that we don't need it, and some information which we don't need it either. All right, so let's put that on side. Okay, first thing first, the cable. It's not plastic, it's not made from the plastic or from the rubber. So it is from good belt quality. And if I'm not wrong, it is 2 meter long cable. All right, so let's remove the plastics. I'm sorry for the sound, but that is what you get with unboxing. Okay. Alright, so the first thing, it feels very plasticky, but still, with that being said, it is not so some cheap built quality. As you can see, this keyboard is actually built quite good. Okay, so let's see at the back. What we have here at the back is it comes with 2 feet, and we got also some rubber feet here as well. Okay, the key itself also feeling a little bit plasticky, so but in a good way. It is a good built keyboard. So because it is a mechanical keyboard, and all mechanical keyboards are making a sound, especially when you're typing it. So let's hear how was it the sound. So it is quite amazing sound. Let's plug it in and check the colors of this keyboard and what else we can do with it. Okay, as you already can see, that is the RGB keyboard. It comes with 16.8 millimeter customizable lighting RGB. Okay, so you can customize the colors and the software which is provided by Logitech. So we will check that later on. Let's say about this, it's very bright. At the moment it is still, I got one light only on, but still I can see the keys are giving quite good amount of light. It's quite surprised with that. Because I have suffered some negative review about it, but that is not the case. I think it's quite a good amount, it gives good amount of light. Okay, so what we have over here, that is the media keys. So you can just volume up, volume down, forward, backward, stop, play, pause, mute, and it's all working. Alright, so and what we got over here, it is actually in case you are using this keyboard in a very light room and you want to actually turn off the keyboard, it's just only with one sample. All the LED lights are turned off. Alright, so that's one of the amazing features that I didn't have in some other keyboards. It was only possible with the laptops, but not in the keyboard, or maybe I didn't have it yet. Alright, so what we have here, that is one of the amazing features that I bought actually this laptop. In case you're playing any game and by mistake you press the Windows key, so it will actually open up the windows, and then if you're on some shooting game, probably you will lose, or someone will kill you. So with this button you're actually disabling the Windows key. So that is amazing feature of this keyboard. Alright, and then we got, when you're pressing it, the light of gaming mode is turning on. So then we got the light of scroll lock, caps lock, and number lock, which is yeah. So that's quite amazing feature. And for the rest, talking about the keys, how it feels, as we checked it earlier, it feels quite good. So it is not big and not small. The palm rest, I thought it will be big for my table, but it is not. It is quite okay. Alright, and then let's customize the LED lights on. Alright, so that is the application that you can customize the keyboard's color. So the application called Logitech G App. Alright, so this application has been opened. Let's click on the keyboard. So that is at the moment the current color of the keyboard. Unfortunately, you cannot see it, but it is the color that I'm seeing it on the screen and on the keyboard itself. Okay, so you can change that color to anything that you would like, and the keyboard is changing directly. So as we mentioned before, that you can just turn off the keyboard from this light, or even you can just turn off it from here, and the keyboard is not turned off. Okay, so let's stick to the fixed color. So the fixed color, you can choose any color that you would like, or even if you know the code, you can just type the code here and you can get the color that you would like. Alright, so let's move on, and then we got the cycle effect. So as you can see that the colors are moving from one color to another color very slowly, and also the rate of that, you can make it faster or way slower. So that is up to you how you want that. Okay, so let's move on. Then you got the next option is this color wave. Under the color wave, you're getting also option. As you can see that it's already kind of changing the colors. You can say center out. It will move on from center the color. Let's make it more so you can see it faster and better. Alright, and or from the center, you see that the colors are changing from the center, and also like that. Okay, so and then we got the breathing option. That is one of them that I just like select very much. Also on this one you can change the colors as well. So we got orange or whatever colors you would like. So the rate also you can customize it. Okay, and then we got screen sampler. From this one you can also change some colors, but I'm not going to talk about this one too much, so you can just find out yourself. Audiovisual, you can see that it's turned off. Background color is black. So let's check that, and also it's changing as well. So there's a lot of things that you can do with this keyboard, with this application of G App, Logitech G App. The one that I like to use, that is the freestyle. Alright, in the freestyle you can change the color itself. Let's just mention before that this keyboard is actually divided into 5 zones. You can see that here. At the moment it is light blue color, so let's change the color. So what you need to do, just click on the color brush. From here let's pick up, I just want to have blue color. Alright, and then you're pressing here. Okay, let's move on to the light pink. I will go to zone 2, and you see it's changing. Okay, let's pick up purple. it is not purple. Oh, I think I just messed it a little bit here. Okay, so you see it is now purple. This is pink. Then we got purple. Let's have that one orange color. Yeah, and let's go for green. So you can see that is now the color that I got also on my keyboard. So it is, looks quite amazing, and that is what you got over there. I am seeing also on my keyboard. But to be very frank with you, I would stick to one color. So probably I am just going always to be using one fixed color, which I will be using kind of always red. I got matching Lenovo keyboard, because I can change the colors, and it will be also red. And also later on I will be unboxing another product of the Logitech, so keep watching. And also will be with LED lights that I can change the colors. Alright, so here you got also option for sync lighting option. So in case you got the Logitech G series mouse, gaming mouse, you can just sync both of them, and both of them will be on the same color. Alright, so let's move on here. That is actually very nice options of this keyboard. So the F keyboards, you can assign them special commands or macros. So you can do that here. For example, if you got some games that you're playing and you want to give the F key some special command, you can do that here. Okay, and then similar here, you can just change some of the keys and give them some commands as well. Action, in the action tab, you got already some games like Overwolf, Discord, and OBS Studio. So they're using some special commands on the keys. So they are already pre-loaded on this application. Okay, and then you just so you can activate it and then assign the keys, or you just go to default. Okay, so there is pretty a lot of options which I still I didn't use all of them, but as you can see that you can use all of them. The last one which I just love it, as we talked before about the gaming key. So here even you can customize it more. Okay, as you can see that these three keys are by default disabled, but if you would like, you can disable some more keys. For example, how you wanna if you wanna maybe disable caps lock, just click on it and it is disabled. And the color of this one is blue because it is disabled by you, and this tree is actually disabled by default. So like this, you can just disable any key that you want. So you just, I would not recommend it to disable all the keywords, but if you want for some reason disable some key, for example space, you can just do that, or maybe shift, because sometimes if you pressing 5 times the shift key, it will open up the windows. So that is actually my explanation about how this application itself is working. Anyway, so let's talk about this keyboard, about how I'm feeling, and how if I will recommend you. Yes, why not? This keyboard is, as I mentioned before, that is one of the maybe it is the cheap version of the G series of Logitech keyboards, but still it is quite amazing keyboard. I'm just loving it since I'm using it now for around 4 days, so it is nice. I love actually the palm-less rest. In the beginning I thought that was actually big, but it's not big for my desk. Even for a small desk, it is quite nice. The palm-less is quite amazing, and you can actually raise the keyboard on quite. It's raising also a quite good amount. So it is. Until now, I'm pretty happy with the product, with this product, and also with the build quality of this product. Alright guys, so please keep watching for the next video. The next video will be about G502 SE Euro Series Logitech gaming mouse. Please stick around, and if you like this video, please thumbs up, like, what is a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.